SqueakyFresh SQF01 Handheld Bidet Shattaf Baby Diaper by SqueakyFresh is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B01KD6QBJY Money back guarantee. Every bidet is backed by the Lush O Works guarantee. Love the manufacturer's bidets or get every penny back, no questions asked. Consider this a risk-free purchase. 30-day manufacturer's warranty from authorized sellers only. Only seller that can provide warranty is Lush O. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Design: sturdy but light handheld bidet sprayers are made by stainless steel that will last longer. Easy installations with instructions included. Uses: this handheld bidet sprayer is perfect for bathrooms, kitchen, baby cloth, diaper, pet sprayer. Perfect for new mom after delivery. Comfort: the manufacturer's bidet or Shattaf sprayer allows for a controlled jet flow of water to make sure you are comfortable, soothed and feel fresh after each use. Ease for those with arthritis. Package: SqueakyFresh Bidet includes sprayer T-valve, hose holder and installation manual. You can also use as a pet sprayer. This is a lightweight bidet kit, excellent for DIY project. You'll need plumber's tape. 100% money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not happy with your handheld bidet, we'll either send you a replacement or fully refund your purchase, whichever you choose. Your trust and business is that important to them.